Okay, here's a door repair. This was a break-in. The door got kicked in, pushed in. The locks were engaged. Here's where the lock was when it got kicked. It blew out all this stuff. So I'm gonna have to replace all of this. So I've got my circular saw set so that the blade just goes deep enough. And now I have to get in with my chisel and cut out the bottom and the little section on the top that I couldn't reach with the saw. Okay, now that I have that piece all out and this is all cleaned up, top to bottom, I'm gonna cut a 2x4 from bottom to top, and then I'll put that in and take some measurements. Okay, I've cut the 2x4 so it fits in top to bottom. And then I just draw a line with my pencil right here, top to bottom. And remember, this part will get covered up by the molding. And then I'll just cut this 2x4 so it fits right in here perfectly. And now what I've done is pre-drilled some holes and just put in some 2-inch screws there, just to hold it tight against the jamb, because you never know exactly what it's going to look like till it's screwed in, and it's got to be screwed in tightly. So I've got 3 screws there. Now I'll shut the door. So now this is a no-brainer. Draw the line right down along the door, just like that. Go all the way down. And once I get to that line, I want to make a few more passes just to take off another 1/8 inch. And that will fit perfectly. Okay, now I have it shaved, I have it screwed back in. Let's do a test fit. And look at that. A perfect gap all the way around. I'm going to replace my 2-inch screws with 3-inch screws. And I'll put screws in this direction so this thing as strong or stronger than the original. Okay, I've got the strike plate in for the doorknob, and now I've drilled out the hole for the deadbolt, and I'm going to recommend using this. These come with deadbolts. This is an extra thick security plate, and then that strike plate goes over it, but this strike plate is largely decorative. So by putting in this extra security plate, we can put 3-inch screws here and here, and that'll go through our new jamb and into the jack stud. So even though no door is perfectly secure, this will give it maximum security. Okay, now with both plates in place, new locks installed, everything's working fine. Got a nice secure door and a jamb that looks great. We'll sand that edge, patch it up. Good as new.